The Stoics developed a technique known as premeditatio malorum, which involved imagining the worst possible scenarios to mentally prepare themselves and reduce fear. While this may seem like a pessimistic practice, it actually provided them with clarity and serenity in the face of uncertainty. This exercise helps you realize that fear is often irrational and that the scenarios we imagine tend to be far more terrifying in our minds than they are in reality. Seneca once said, "We suffer more in imagination than in reality," and this is especially true when we allow anxiety to take control. By practicing this technique regularly, you will notice that even the worst outcomes are not as devastating as they initially seemed. This does not mean you should live expecting the worst, but rather that you will be mentally prepared for any outcome. Anxiety is born from the fear of the unknown, but when you train your mind to consider all possibilities, including the least favorable ones, you eliminate the element of surprise that often causes stress. A useful practice is to spend a few minutes each morning visualizing challenging situations and how you would handle them calmly. If you have an important meeting or an upcoming challenge, imagine the possible obstacles and picture yourself overcoming them with composure. The goal is not to be fatalistic, but to cultivate a resilient mind. When you face uncertainty with mental preparation, anxiety loses its power and you regain control.